This is the Sunstone Engineering CD400D8 dual post capacitive discharge spot welder. It has a minimum and maximum output of 5 to 400 watts per second with a maximum pulse height of 18.3 volts. The dual pulse feature is ideal for achieving strong weld joints. The parallel weld head can be controlled in several ways. This particular model is controlled by a foot switch that activates the weld head and triggers the current to the electrodes. This is the main power switch. It is powered by 120 volts, regular AC current. It has a short boot up cycle, and when complete will signal with a ready. The wattage is adjustable and usable from 5 all the way up to its maximum of 400. Both pulses are adjustable as well, and normally in typical operation, if one is adjusted to about 25%, the other will self-adjust, so one will share 25% and 75%. They do this because they find that when they hit the workpiece to be welded with a quick pulse of current first, followed shortly by the full discharge, it makes a much stronger weld. Now, for demonstration, I will adjust this to 160. Now, I chose this if where is it? 60. Yes. All right. I chose this because there's a chart, very helpful chart in the book, that will tell you what adjustments you need to make, both on the height here, so when it comes up and down and makes contact with your workpiece, that the necessary travel is in place, and along with the pressure when the electrodes themselves actually, well, this is non-conductive, hit the workpiece. Depending on the type of work that you're trying to achieve, it will signal a beep. This beep can be in different durations, that depending on how thick your material is. I did my best to use the charts in the book and measure, and what I came up with is razor blades I thought would make a good demo. Again, this is for small, almost micro welding work, very small wires. And the thickness of a razor blade is about 0.01 inches. And I looked up on the chart and adjusted this height, which is approximately 1/8 above the workpieces. What I'll do here is I'll take these on. Just sort of a quick little piece to hold it on. And as per the manual, I've adjusted this about 1/8 of an inch over. I've looked up the thickness and the type of material, and have adjusted the pressure of the head accordingly. Now, we'll turn on the pulse. Again, I've adjusted this for 160 watts per second, and we'll make our first weld. And here we have two pieces of stainless steel spot welded together, just like these right here. Very easy to use. Follow the charts in the book, and actually some of the information and descriptions, you can get pretty much a handle on putting your workpiece in here and making the necessary adjustments.